After years of resisting full participation in the border case taken to the International Court of Justice by Guyana, Venezuela on Monday submitted its counter-memorial on the merits of the border controversy case. In simpler terms, Venezuela submitted its own arguments on why it believes Guyana's Essequibo region belongs to it. A year before, Guyana submitted its arguments for this case. In a statement following Venezuela's submission, the Government of Guyana welcomed the move. It said, quote, Guyana has repeatedly called on Venezuela to participate fully in the judicial proceedings and comply with the court's rulings, and therefore welcomes Venezuela's submissions on the substantive issues that the court will ultimately decide, unquote. Guyana's President Dr. Finali on Monday spoke about the situation with Venezuela and his government's response to the Spanish-speaking nation's aggressions.
We have no intention of taking what is not ours, and we hope that our neighbors understand that that this is the framework through which we are operating. But having said that, we are monitoring every statement, every situation. We are very fortunate that we have good global citizens and friends who are all making statements. We are very thankful for all those who have been making statements in relation to this issue, ensuring that good sense prevail and ensuring that our neighbors act within the confines of international law. We are very committed to the Argyll Declaration in St. Vincent because by nature we are a country of peace. We are a country wanting the success of the whole region.
Guyana wants a full, final, binding ruling affirming the 1899 arbitral award that established the boundary between itself and Venezuela. Venezuela, however, has been pursuing aggressive actions, some as recent as last week. It promulgated a new organic law for the defense of Guyana Essequibo. That was condemned and rejected by the Guyana government and other partners, including the United States and the Commonwealth. On Monday, in a stinging statement, the Organization of American States, called the OAS, said Venezuela's threatening objectives endanger regional peace and security. The OAS said, quote, the General Secretariat of the Organization of American States, with the firm purpose of promoting and defending peace and security, condemns the approval by the Venezuelan regime of the so-called Law for the Defense of Essequibo, which is absolutely contrary to the most basic principles of international law and reaffirms once again the dictatorial pattern of the regime in Venezuela, unquote. Reporting for the newsroom, Vishani Ragbir.